you ever had the feeling that you're meant to live a completely different version of your life? Like there's a you out there who's free, grounded, glowing and just alive. That feeling is not just your imagination, it's your soul calling you to shift timelines. And today I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Hello beautiful soul, my name is Sean. I help people awakening to the true self using human design, tarot and spiritual self-work. If you're going through changes, questioning your life or just feel like something is out of sync, you're not broken, you're just awakening. And that awakening is the perfect moment to shift into timelines that align with your purpose and your highest energy. Here is what I will guide in this video. What timeline jumping really means, why awakening is the moment to shift, a 4-step process to timeline jump intentionally, a short breathwork practice to ground you, and a guided meditation to meet your future self. Before we go deeper, let's take a moment to ground. This will help you land in your body and open up to the shift you are about to make. Now sit comfortably and gently close your eyes if that feels good. We will use a calming breath pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds and exhale for 6 seconds. Are you ready? Now inhale through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale gently through your mouth for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now feel your body settle. Feel your energy soften. You are here. You are ready. Now let's jump in. Every single decision you make opens up a new possibility. There are versions of you living out all kinds of life. Some peaceful, some stressful, some completely aligned, and others way off track. Timeline jumping is the process of moving from the reality you're in right now to a more aligned version of your life. It's not magic, it's energetic. You shift your thoughts, you shift your actions, you shift your habits, and as a result, you shift your life. Spiritual awakening shakes things up. You start to see things clearly. What's not working anymore, what's out of alignment, what's no longer true for you. That awareness can feel overwhelming at first, but it's also a gift. It means that you have the power to choose again, to move out of survival mode and into something sacred. This is your moment to choose a new timeline. Let's break this down into 4 steps you can actually take. Step 1. Clear what's not aligned. Before stepping into a new version of your life, you need to release the things that are keeping you stuck in the old one. Look at your habits, your energy, your surroundings and ask, is this version of me aligned with who I want to become? Start things like cleaning up your diet with whole foods and more hydration. Move your body regularly. Letting go of people, situation or content that lower your energy. And making time for emotional healing, whether through journaling, therapy or energy work. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with one thing you know that isn't serving you and let it go. Step 2. Enter stillness and tune in. Now that you have created space, drop into stillness. This is where your new timeline starts to come through. Stillness helps you to hear the voice of your higher self. You can try meditating each morning, going for a tech-free nature walk, journaling with prompts like, what does my soul want to know right now? And creating space for stillness so you can receive. You are not trying to figure everything out, you are allowing your truth to rise to the surface. Step 3. Get clear on the life you want. To shift into a new timeline, you have to define it. What does alignment look like for you? Here's how to get clear. Write a letter from your future self who's already living that life. Say out loud or record yourself describing a day in your ideal life. Use affirmations like, I am aligned with my highest path. Journal the following. In my aligned timeline I ... and then list 10 things. Feel it, imagine it and speak it out. Your emotion is the magnet that pulls that reality into being. Step 4. Take one aligned action at a time. Here's the final step and it's powerful. Once you feel into your new timeline, start living like it's already true. Examples? If your aligned self is peaceful, create one small corner of peace in your home. If your aligned self is confident, start expressing yourself more honestly. If your aligned self is healthy, eat more fruits and vegetables. If your aligned self is free, do something today that lights you up. You don't have to leap, just walk. One choice, one moment, and one shift at a time. Each action you take in alignment becomes a vote for your new reality. If this helped you, drop in the comments what timeline you are shifting into. And if you want the tool to help you clear distractions and reconnect with yourself, I've created a free dopamine detox workbook. The link is below. Let's take a moment now to meet your future self. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Imagine the version of you who's fully aligned. They wake up with energy, they speak their truth, they live at ease. See them, hear them, feel how it would feel to be them. Now walk up to that version of you and ask them, what did I let go of? What one thing helped me shift? Take in their answers and say thank you. Now come back to the present moment. Observe your breath. Move your legs. Move your arms. Move your head. And if you feel like it, take a deep stretch. Now softly open your eyes. Welcome back. You are not stuck, you are shifting. Timeline jumping isn't about changing everything overnight. It's about listening to your soul and honor it one choice at a time. Thank you for walking this path with me. I'm proud of you. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you on your highest timeline.